Hi to everyone. In this video I'm showing how to fix this account cannot use WhatsApp. We've completed our review and found this account's activity goes against WhatsApp. So, this means that the WhatsApp number has been burned from using WhatsApp. In this video I'm showing how to fix it. First, open any web browser that is on your phone. Here type to search WhatsApp support. Here tap to open Contact WhatsApp. If you want to fix the WhatsApp Messenger issue, tap on this first Contact Us option. Now move down here. First, select your country code. Here enter your phone number that is burned from using WhatsApp. Move down to enter your email address so that they will contact you after fixing the burning issue. After confirming the email address, move down. Here on How do you use WhatsApp? Select the device that you are using for WhatsApp. Now in this area, you have to type the message to inform the WhatsApp team on about the burn. Here is the message, just type it into the message box. After tap on Next. At this page, move down and then tap on Send a question. OK. Here you will see your question has been sent. So they will review your message and then your number will be fixed from the burn. And on this, you will get the email address. So thank you for watching. We meet in the next video.